Do you want to know the best BullX settings so you can maximize your earning profits? Well, in order to do that, I will show you how to do this in just a few steps. So you can head over right here to your BullX and then just click onto these three lines right here. From there, scroll down and here you can see the settings. So in here, they have in here the quick buy preset as well as the buy preset buttons. Just click onto this edit option and in here you can choose in here the alt chains. You can reset it to your liking. For example, just set in here the number or the amount that you're willing to risk. For example, let's put in here $100. For this one, click on also on the buy preset buttons. Just choosing here the preset buttons for this one, we can choose the actual amount for the BNB as well as other more things like Solana. So you can click on any one of them and then adjust them to your liking. So for this one, the actual recommended one is for the first box to be zero point 0.5 as and for the second box to be around 1. So this is depending to your liking as well. Make sure to click on the save changes in order to save the changes that you have made.